Hello students, welcome back to online learning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to continue our chapter 3rd, that is knowing Windows 7. We have already discussed about an operating system and the basic concept of Windows 7. So as you know, Windows 7 is an operating system. It provides graphical user interface, GUI. GUI is basically a human computer interface. Means with the help of GUI, you can easily interact with the computer. So by the operating system, you can easily interact with the computer hardware. Means operating system interacts between user and hardware. So now we are going to discuss about Windows 7. So Windows 7 is an operating system. After loading Windows 7, you will see the screen like this. This is called desktop screen. Okay. Here you can see some icons. These are the icons. Icons are the shortcuts to some of the program. Okay. So we are going to discuss firstly how to start a Windows. When you switch on the computer, the Windows operating system gets loaded onto the computer memory. This process is called booting. While loading the pictures of Windows, flag appears on the screen. A few seconds later, a welcome message appears. After downloading the Windows 7, the desktop appears. The desktop has various items. These are icons. These are the icons you can see. My computer, recycle bin, Internet Explorer, folder, etc. Start button. See, this is the start button. Click on start button. Okay, it's called start button. And taskbar, this is called taskbar. Now bottom of your desktop. And wallpapers and gadgets. So firstly we are going to discuss about what are icons. So icons refers to the small pictures on the desktop. Okay. Most common icons found on the desktops are computer, recycle bin. Where is the recycle bin? C. Means all the data whatever you have deleted, it is stored in recycle bin. By the computer you can open your drive. Okay, so double click by the mouse, you can see your drive. Okay, Internet Explorer, suppose I am using Google Chrome. Okay, so this is used for accessing the internet. Okay, we can access the internet by this Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. These are the internet software. Now next is start button. Start button is present at the left corner of the desktop. Where is the start button? See, this is the start button. It is used to start any program. When you click the start button, it displays a menu called start menu. These are called the start menu. Okay, so whatever you have installed in your computer, it will show on the start menu. Got it? Yes. Now taskbar. Where is the taskbar? This is called taskbar. It appears at the bottom of the desktop. It contains quick launch bar. This is called quick launch bar. Okay, this is called quick launch bar, and this is called system tray. Quick launch bar is located near the start button. Okay, this one. It is used to open an application quickly. And system tray shows the different items like current date, times. See, the current date is 21 September 2021 and time is 1:39 p.m. Okay, so it will show, and the volume of the speaker also you can see in the system tray. Okay, now gadgets. What are the gadgets? So gadgets are the small and helpful icons on the desktop. Each icon has its specific functions. So if you want to open gadgets, then in a search box type here GADGETS, gadgets. Click on this. So they are used to view weather, calendar, currency, different kinds of watch items and many more items. See, this is the clock. So if you want to add the clock on the desktop, then right click and add. See, you can add the clock. Suppose if you want to add the calendar, right click and add. Okay, suppose if you want to add the calculator, desktop calculator, right click and add. So these are called the gadgets. Okay, gadgets are the small and helpful icons on the desktop. Got it? Now next, title bar. So I am opening firstly my PC. Open it. So where is the title bar? Close it. How can you close it? Click on this close button. Firstly, now I am opening the Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. Sorry, Google Chrome. I am opening Google Chrome. Where is the title bar? This is the title bar, new tab. Okay, so it appears at the top of the window. It shows the title of the running program. So I am running the new tab. Title bar has different types of buttons. Okay, this is called title bar. Okay, now where is minimize, restore and close button? So suppose if you are doing painting, suppose I am opening paintbrush, PAINT, type here and open the paint. So I will show you. So what is the title of this paint file? Untitled. There is no title. This is called title bar. Where is the minimize button? This is the minimize button for minimize the window. This is restore button. Okay, for restoring the window. And this is maximize button. Okay, to maximize the window. And where is the close button? This is the close button. Okay, do you want to save your file? If you want to save, then you can save. If you don't want to save, then click on don't save. Okay, so like that we can open and close the items of the desktop. Now how can you shut down the computer? So click on start button, click on power and click on shutdown. Like that you can shut down your computer. So today we have discussed about chapter 3rd. This is the last chapter of your term first. We will discuss next chapter in the next class. Thank you.